Hi guys, this is Shubham. You are watching All About Technology. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install 6-gun mod in Android. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, open the first link which you found in the description. This link will take you to the main page of mod download. This is the page. After that, what you have to do, you have to just scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see go to download page, click on it, and you can see we get the links. You can choose the normal version or else you can choose the mod version. What you have to do, you have to download the mod app, and after that the mod file. That's it, you're done. After you download it, just open with ZArchiver app to extract it better, and after that select the file and extract to the Android OBB. That's it. Now you can play the game. Before playing the game, just turn off your net or Wi-Fi so you can play, otherwise your game will be blocked. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, share it with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.